Hi guys, welcome to my first YouTube video. So in this video I made a large vanity mirror which was very inexpensive and quick to make. So if you'd like to know how to make one, then keep watching. So I bought this mirror from IKEA for £15 and it's very big. It's about 90 centimeters by 60 centimeters. So yeah, it's a really good size. So next I was just measuring where I wanted the bottom of the mirror to go. And then I had to double check that this was straight because we obviously don't want a wonky mirror. So the next step was for me to use my drill to make the first two holes, and then I just screwed the mirror hooks into them. So here you can see the mirror is quite straight. I was very happy with it. And then next I'm going to start screwing the top. So my method for screwing the top screws for the mirror is not the best, but it did work. I wasn't too fussed about it just because it wasn't as important as the bottom screws. The bottom screws are very important obviously because they are supporting the mirror, and the top is really just to stop it from falling forward. So here I'm just marking the X's of where I'm going to drill the top holes next. And then I just double checked again that these were also accurate before I drilled. So now drilling, I did the same thing as I did for the bottom, just put the screws and mirror hooks in and then just screwed it in tightly. So I bought these lights off Amazon. They're really simple to use and they're perfect for a vanity mirror. So with the lights, I didn't actually measure the space between them. I just kind of looked and estimated where I thought they would go. And I think they came out pretty good, but if you are more particular about that, then I would say maybe draw out where you want them to go before sticking them on. The last thing for me to do was hide the wires. So I just basically just stuffed the wires behind the mirror. And this mirror is also really great because there is some space behind it. So that made it easier hiding the wires. And there you have it, a very cheap but grand DIY vanity mirror with dimmable lights. I will be listing everything in the description box below, but other than that, thank you very much for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video.